Okay. Your thermostat is here. Okay. And you say your system is short cycling, ma'am?
Yeah, it ran all night Friday night. I mean, it did not kick off at all.
Okay.
I mean, it'll kick on, but it just run.
What I want you to do is turn your meter to volts. And I want you to go to the bottom side of the contactor and check for voltage at the bottom side of the contactor. No voltage? Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is, I want you to take this electrical screwdriver and I want you to discharge your capacitor. Rub it across your terminals. And good job on now going back and forth with that, because you don't want to break those spade connectors. Okay, the next thing is we want to test that capacitor. What you get? 40? Oh, let's see. What you get? It's 4. Is this a 40 plus 5? Let's see. Let's look up. This is a 40 plus 5 capacitor, so it was still good. So now at this point, we're gonna hook that capacitor back up and we're gonna check our freon levels, because she might be bone dry. Yep, vapor. Bone dry, oh no. I can't do nothing with that. Hey, we checked the capacitor, and the capacitor was good on this system, but through further investigation, the system is bone dry freon. Don't worry about it, buddy. Don't worry about it. Yeah, the system is bone dry. Nothing but vapor left in there. It's time for a system replacement, upgrade.